This quick guide shows how to buy shares of Fulgent Genetics Inc., a genetic testing and sequencing company, using its NASDAQ listing under the ticker FLGT as the example. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. No returns are promised. To buy FLGT, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After signing up, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID document and add funds to be able to place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FLGT to locate Fulgent Genetics. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company description, recent news, and the price chart to get basic context. Confirm the page shows Fulgent Genetics Inc. with the NASDAQ symbol FLGT before moving on. To invest, click the Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate, and review order details, such as order type and estimated costs before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending or be placed as a limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your FLGT position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.